Mystery of Petra Street, A Tale of the Unknown. It wasn't quite evening around 7. I had to. I wish I hadn't listened to him. When I came home, I sat on the couch and fell asleep. I heard a voice in my dream. He repeated 99 times, "Go to Petra Street, Mars Street, 99 meters away." The 100th time he said, "Go now, don't forget, it's only you." And there was a knock on the door. I was scared. I didn't want to look. But it was still ringing. I opened it. I looked. There was no one there. I went downstairs. When there was no one there, I went to the address in the voice in my dream. Normally the street would be very noisy, but it was deserted. I arrived. It was a cemetery. There was a hospital next to it. The hospital was so deserted that there were dried tree branches on it. There was only one room in the hospital. There was a shadow looking at me. The voice in my head was telling me to go to the cemetery. I walked. As I walked, my hand smelled rotten. A red eye was looking at me. I looked at the hospital. There was no shadow. Every time I approached the red eye, one of my fingers smelled rotten. There was a blanket over the red eye. When I opened the cover, I fainted. It was about 5 a.m. When I opened my eyes, there was a doctor next to me. I looked at my hand. It wasn't rotten. When I looked out the window, I was in a deserted hospital. There were benches instead of a cemetery. I asked the doctor what happened. He said, "Last night there was a man with red eyes who couldn't see you. He put you on the bed and left with all the lights off." Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content.